Hello and welcome to this practice. Today we're going to spend about 10 minutes helping our nervous system remember what it feels like to be safe. Many of us live in a constant state of doing, worrying, rushing, solving problems, and taking care of everyone else. After a while, our nervous system begins to believe that this is normal. When that happens, our body stays in survival mode. Stress hormones remain elevated, digestion slows down, sleep becomes lighter, inflammation can increase, and it becomes much harder for our body to heal. The beautiful thing is this: your nervous system can learn to relax again. And the key is your breath. Your breath is the doorway through which your nervous system remembers how to calm itself. Every slow, gentle breath is like a whisper into your body. You can let go now. You are safe. And when your body feels safe, it naturally begins to repair, restore, and heal. And today, let's give your body that gift. So find your comfortable position, sitting or lying down, or a position you like where you can easily relax and let go. And let's begin by taking a slow breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth with a soft sigh. Again, breathe in through your nose and exhale through your mouth, relaxing, softening your shoulders. One more time, a deep, slow inhale. And exhale with a sigh. Relaxing a little bit more, a little bit deeper. Continue to breathe naturally and bring your attention to your body. Feel any tightness, any tingling, any sensations. Just notice and simply breathe into that area and allow your body to gently release the tension. Feel the chair, the bed, or the floor supporting you. For the next few minutes, there's nothing you need to do. Just simply breathe. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. With each breath, imagine a warm wave of relaxation slowly moving down through your body. Soften your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Allow this wave of relaxation move to your neck and shoulders. Soften your neck and shoulders. Feel that wave moving through your arms, your hands, your chest, Relax your belly. Let it soften completely. Relax your hips, your legs, your knees, your calves, all the way down to your feet. With every breath, your body is letting go just a little bit more. Now place one hand over your heart if that feels comfortable. Just feel the warmth beneath your hand. Feel your heart. You may feel your heartbeat. Take another slow breath. And quietly repeat in your mind, I am safe. I am safe in this moment. Your body has worked so hard to protect you, even when it feels anxious, even when it feels overwhelmed. It has always been trying to keep you safe. So today, just simply thank your body. Thank you for protecting me. You can relax now. You don't have to carry everything anymore. And allow those words to sink in. Now imagine yourself standing somewhere you feel completely at peace. Perhaps beside a quiet lake, walking through a beautiful forest, or standing near a waterfall, or sitting by the ocean. Whatever resonates with you at this moment. Feel the fresh air. Listen to the sounds. You may hear birds or waves or wind. Or you may not hear anything. It's totally fine. Notice how nature is never rushing. The trees don't hurry. The flowers don't force themselves to bloom. Everything unfolds in its own perfect timing. And you can do the same. Take one more slow breath. And simply receive this peace. begin to bring your awareness back into the room. Notice your breath, notice your body. Maybe you feel only 1% calmer today. That is enough. Healing does not happen all at once. It happens one calm breath, one quiet moment, one small act of self-care at a time. And thank you for spending these moments with me today. Take this peace with you wherever you go. And remember, the more often you remind your nervous system that it is safe, the easier it becomes for your body to do what it was beautifully designed to do. Repair, restore, and heal. Take one final deep breath in and slowly let it go. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me. Take a gentle care of yourself. And if you like this meditation, please give me your thumbs up. Or if you are new to my channel, please subscribe so you can practice with me more of meditations like this. So sending love from my heart to yours. Until next time.